All the guys at Camp Razor keep making fun of me because my shocks are half as much as theirs. Well, that'll show them. Now I can afford these shocks and I can afford to take their girl out. What's up, people? So, I'm sure you clicked on this video because of what's sitting in this box right here. These are my FOA 2.5 by 14 remote reservoir shocks. And I'm going to be doing a little unboxing today, and we're going to figure out why they're so cheap and are they pieces of crap. But first, hold on. Boom. Who says I don't work? Huh? I work. I just took the trash cans out. Now we can get on with it. So, let's go ahead and open this box up right here. So, a little disclaimer. I actually got these for Christmas. It's been about, well, we ordered them on a Black Friday deal, and I got them as a Christmas present. So, I've already opened these, but I repackaged them, so it should be just like how FOA sends it. So, let's open this baby up. So, as you can see, right in here, these are the shocks themselves. They come wrapped up pretty nice. Bubble wrap, the shocks themselves, the reservoirs wrapped up with this foam, as well as the shock bodies. You've got your stickers, your misalignment spacers right there. Those right there. More bubble wrap. And the other shock. You pull that out right there. And toss that aside. So check it out, guys. This is on FOA's website. These are the exact shocks that I have. These are the 2.5 reservoir shock, 14-inch travel. They go for starting out at $170. Here's all the stuff. You can find us pretty easy. Look on FOA.com. But I got the black anodizing. You can do all sorts of upgrades. Even flow shock piston. Foam bump stop on the end of the shaft. Chrome plating, whatever you want. So these shocks came out to $180 each. So that's... Let's just do this real quick. Not 12. 2. Go. Okay. Well, that's awkward. All right. So grand total $360 for 2 shocks. Now, let's go over here. I've got these pulled up. These are the King 2.5 smoothies. This would be a comparable shock. I've got it in 14-inch stroke. And just for one, it comes out to $415. So you could buy 2 FOA shocks for less than 1 King. And that's why these were so appealing to me. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you doing? But now I've got everything unboxed. And after seeing that screen recording, these shocks are about half the price of the, well, what I would consider the industry leading brand, which is King. So, but are they half as good? Well, a few things that I noticed right off the bat is they're not super duper, I guess, nice is what you could say. The machining, one thing I noticed is the machining right here. On these, you can tell it's kind of like rough cut, almost like they did it fast. It doesn't affect the performance or anything, it's just a minor cosmetic thing. It's kind of mostly what I've noticed on these is minor cosmetic stuff. So I don't know if this was like, I don't know what that is. So maybe it's like thread sealant or something, I don't know. All these fittings seem pretty nice. Nothing's really leaking. The shock shafts aren't leaking, like there's not a puddle of oil in the excuse me, in the box or anything. Other than that, they seem fairly decent quality. You can see again right here. Kind of rough machine on all this stuff. The actual shock bodies are kind of like this chrome. And then they've got like I said, they're not like super nicely machined or anything, which I don't really care. It's not that big of a deal. So let's go on to what else comes with these. I've got all the misalignment spacers laid out right here. Comes with 8 and an extra one, so that's 9, just in case you lose one. So that's kind of nice. These seem to be machined out of aluminum. Oh, sorry. So that's not that. That's good. Let's see how they fit in here. I just got one of these. Here, let's see how tight they fit. Oh, that's a real tight fit. I can't even push it in there. Oop. All right. I can't get it out. There we go. Okay. So that's good. That'll be nice and snug in there. And all of these little Heim joints, whatever they're called, they all seem to be pretty tight. None of them are loose or anything. And none of the shocks are leaking. The shafts are really smooth. Really super nice. The shaft seals aren't leaking. I don't know what that crap's all about. What is that stuff? I don't know. Anyways. Maybe I got lucky and I got a good set. I don't know. And then you got your stickers, of course. These go boom right there on the reservoir. Show off how cool you are. But one thing I did notice is these reservoirs are huge. Like the Kings that I have on the front of my Ranger, they are not this big. But look at that. That's like it's like a 3 Mountain Dew reservoir right there. Oh, crap. Wife's going to be pissed. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the shocks for the Ranger. That project, I should be uploading the video soon. I'm going to start uploading weekly, so look up for those. And subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.